Hello keyframe lovers! Welcome to a new chapter of our quick tutorial section. Say goodbye to exporting headaches. I'll show you how to seamlessly connect After Effects and Premiere Pro in just a few simple steps. This way, any modifications made to the file in After Effects will automatically update in Premiere Pro. It is very simple. From Adobe Premiere Pro, go to File, Import. Select the file you want to import and click Open. Next, a feature that allows you to perform this function, known as Dynamic Link, opens. An important fact: for the connection to work, you must use the same version of both software. And we select the composition you want to import. In this case, I want to add the button animation composition. I simply drag the composition to the desired moment for animation. The best part is that when they are connected, changes made in After Effects automatically update in Premiere Pro. As simple as that. Subscribe to our channel and look at our animation courses in the description.